Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Jet X World Airways 747-4H6 BDSF. This model is produced by Jet X in 2008 and it carries the World Airways 2007 blue and white livery. The aircraft is powered by 4 Pratt Whitney PW4056 high bypass turbofans, producing up to about 63,000 pounds force or 282 kilonewtons each. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 416 passengers in a 3-class configuration, or up to 274,000 pounds or 124,000 kilograms of cargo. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 528 knots or 977 kilometers an hour, with a range of 7,200 nautical miles or 13,400 kilometers. As a note for collectors, the company Rise Soon produced this model in 1/200 scale exclusively for World Airways. Also, Aviation 400 produced this model in 2008 in 1/400 scale, and JC Wings has produced the Astral Aviation version of this aircraft in 2023. Originally built as a 747-4H6, this aircraft was originally delivered to Malaysia Airlines in May of 1993 and given the registration of 9N-MPC, and originally sported the Malaysia Airlines livery that had a red and blue cheat line along the windows. At this point, the aircraft was named Kuantan. In 2007, the aircraft was acquired by aircraft leasing company Air Castle and sent to Israel to receive the Bedek special freighter conversion. After its conversion to a cargo carrier, it was leased to World Airways and given the livery as seen on the model and the registration of November 740WA. After 6 years of service with World Airways, the aircraft was acquired by Airlanta Icelandic and then immediately leased to Saudi Arabian Airlines for cargo service. The aircraft was re-registered as TF-AMM and received the Saudi Arabian Airlines cargo white livery with a blue tail. 4 years later, the aircraft would return briefly to Air Atlanta Icelandic, before 5 months later being acquired by Astral Aviation in Kenya for cargo service flight space from Kenya to around the world. As of early 2023, the aircraft remains flying with Astral Aviation. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that blog subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss one of our videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.